Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup like a restaurant. To begin, select the freshest, ripest tomatoes you can find. They are the heart of your soup. Roasting them brings out their natural sugars, creating a deeper, more complex flavor. Don't forget your aromatics like garlic and onion, which form the foundational taste. Finally, a touch of cream or coconut milk will give your soup that luxurious, velvety texture. Let's get cooking. Start by having your tomatoes and tossing them with a generous drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast them in the oven until they are beautifully tender and slightly charred, which enhances their sweetness. While they roast, gently sauté your diced onions and garlic in a pot until they are soft and fragrant. Then, deglaze the pan with a splash of vegetable broth to capture all those delicious brown bits. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully transfer your roasted tomatoes and sautéed aromatics into a large pot. Pour in enough vegetable broth to cover, then let it simmer gently for about 50 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. For that signature restaurant smoothness, use an immersion blender directly in the pot. For an extra refined texture, push the blended soup through a fine mesh sieve. To perfect your soup, stir in about a half cup of heavy cream or coconut milk for richness. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with fresh basil leaves or a swirl of high-quality olive oil. Serve your delicious, restaurant-style tomato soup piping hot, perhaps alongside a classic grilled cheese sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.